Welcome! We are excited to introduce you to Leather Therapy, a unique line of leather care products known for premium results that experts have been relying on for over 20 years. No matter what item you are caring for, from high-end equestrian tack, car or truck interiors, even leather furniture and shoes, Leather Therapy has a solution for you. Leather is made of multiple layers, and a lot of leather products only work on the surface layer. Leather Therapy cleaning and conditioning products are special because they work from the inside out. The next step in the leather cleaning process is the restoring conditioner. The restoring conditioner works from the inside out. It is absorbed into the leather and re-moisturizes the inner fibers of the leather, as well as the surface. To use it, be sure to shake before use, apply it to a damp sponge, and then work it into the leather. It's best to apply this in thin layers as needed and not in one thick application. And that's it! Beautiful, high-end results without too much effort.